Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to look at tools in FIGMA. Do you know that FIGMA has a toolbar that allows one to create different shapes like circle, rectangle, square, even text? You can also create different curves in FIGMA using the toolbar. But in this class, we're going to learn how to use the pen tool to create different curves. So I'll be playing a video of a class section I had with my student, teaching him how to use the pen tool to create a curve. So let's watch this video.
I'm recording this class, okay? This is your desktop. Now,
Okay.
all you need to do is click this place, click this drop down, right click, go to pen. I said you should go to pen. I've actually taught you this one now, but I'll just do this again. Go to pen, click on the pen. This is the point you want to start, or let's say you want to start from here. Click here, come to this other part. Depending on the curve you want to make, right? So click here, click here, click here. For example, we are done with this. So you can come to this place and click cancel, or this is my bend, I want to bend it. Click bend. You can decide to bend it like this, make it smooth, bend it like this. You have to be the one to control it too. Bend, bend, depending on what you want. So if it's not smooth enough, you can control it. And now we have created a curve like this, for example, right? It is time for us to increase the stroke.
Yeah.
This stroke is just one. You can even extend it like this, make it like small like this, make it like this. Now the stroke is 1, make it 10, for example 10, so that it can be big. You can make it 20, so that it can be 20. If you notice this thing might not be very smooth now, you can change it. You can make it smoother, give it the curve you want. Maybe this is the kind of curve you want. You like this curve, bring it down a bit, bring it down or take it up, anyhow you want it, right? So let's just say I want to bring it down, then I want it to be smooth. So we are done with something like this. Now, if you notice, this thing is outside the frame. I told you before, when something is outside this frame, you can bring it inside the frame. I just click it now, and I'll look at this left hand side, this layer panel. This left hand side, you can see my cursor. Drag it and put it inside the frame. It is not inside the frame, but there's something you need to know. Look at this. There's an extension. The extension is outside. We don't want our design to be outside. There's something you can do. You can click your desktop. Click your desktop and click this part. Look at this right hand section, right? This is the property section at the right hand corner. Click clip content. Clip content, so you can't see it again. This has to hide any content that is larger than the, or longer or bigger than the desktop. So you see it. You can decide to color it too. This stroke is +1, right? And 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I can decide to color it red. It must not be red. It can be any color. Now I want to duplicate. Ctrl D. Duplicate. I just duplicated, and I want this thing to be dark. For example, I'll make it dark. Make it dark. You just created your curve yourself. You can create any curve. You can go to Pinterest, go and see curves. Go to your Google and search for curves, and you can use those curves to practice. So this is just one way of creating curve. Maybe your pencil, using your pencil too, right? So we're going to create another curve now. I'll click here, and Control G to group it. I'm taking it up.
Do you know that there are different ways to create curves aside using the pen tool? To learn more, keep watching this video.
Then another way to get this curve like this is through your arrow or your line. You can use your line to get this kind of curve. Take your line, right? I want to have a straight line. I will left click, hold my shift key and drag. So here, this is my stroke. My stroke is 1. I want to make it 20. This is 20 or this is 50, right? I want to have a curve. You can just click it. You see, I double click. This is the stroke. I double click, and this is a curve. So I can curve it anyhow I want it. This is it. Just imagine that you want to have a curve like this. Or let's create a curve that looks like something like this. I want to reduce the stroke to like 10. You can extend it. Look out, you can extend it. I want to remove this curve, so I'll just cancel it. Double click it again. Extend it. Let me extend it first. Now, I can decide to curve it the way I want. Curve it like this. Let me just increase the stroke to like 20. So just imagine that you want something like this, or you want to duplicate it and make it like this. I want it to be, I'll make this one red or blue. This is blue. Then maybe I want to have something, I can put a picture here, put anything here, design it the way I want. That's just basically how to use curve. So this is just one particular curve that we just drew, right? So let's draw another one. We are going to draw many curves for me. Draw one curve, this is one curve, this is another curve. It's just for you to play with it. The more you practice it, the better you become. Then let's just do any simple curve, right? This line to draw my curve, because it makes it usually is very smooth. You will not see any extra. Like all these ones now, you are seeing some extras. It's not as smooth as this one. See now, I can take it like this. Let me even see, how did I do this other one? Okay, like this, something like this. I had my curve, something like this. I made it like 20. Let's say 50. 50 might be too much, right? I extended it, so Ctrl Z. I can extend it. I can start to extend it. Then I want to duplicate now. The reason why, if you remember, this our desktop. We have clicked the desktop and click this clip. So everything that is extra will be inside the frame. But if you notice this is outside the frame. It is not inside. That is why it is not clipped. So I can take it and bring it inside the frame. This frame is desktop too. So just click. You can click it like this. Ctrl G, Ctrl X. That is to remove it. Ctrl S. Then click this frame. then put Ctrl V. Ctrl V is to paste. You just pasted it inside. So I was trying to get this curve, this particular curve. So this is something like what I created, but it's just that this one is smaller. So this is something like what I created.
Yeah.
Then, yeah. Then what I did was just created a rectangle. I created a rectangle. Everything is just you being creative. I created a rectangle like this. I told you that you can send something to the back. Send something to the back. Send it to the back. Sharp. Then, even when you send something to the back, okay, when you create a square, you can still. Okay, let me teach you something first before I'll go back to that one. Control D. This is it. This is a square. If you double click this thing, double click it, you will see this node highlighted blue. You can play with it. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can use this one. Depending on what shape you want. You just created another shape now. This is it. Okay, I was just teaching you that you can create another shape, or you can even reduce the size of this thing. Now, I want to reduce the size of this square. I double click, come here. I'm hiding it. I don't want it to show. I don't want it to come outside of this. I can drag it anywhere I want. So you see, this is hidden. This is the shape I created. All I did was to put my black. You can put maybe black. Do black now. It's going to have the same shade. So you might never know that I had to create a curve like this. I had to create the curve, so you might never know, right? So you see, that's what I did. And I play with this curve. I'll just create something like this for you now. I created this. This is just a rectangle. I told you that the rectangle, you can add your radius to your rectangle. So now this radius, you can add a radius to your rectangle like this. Can you see? This is the rectangle, but I want to add a radius to my rectangle. So I'm coming here. I'm coming to this appearance. This is where you can add radius to your rectangle. Click here. I want to customize it. I want to add it individually. I don't want everything to have the same radius. So this down, I'm going to make it 20. 20. While the up, I want it to be 100. 100. I can try to make it more than that, like 300, 400, 400. Do you see how I just created this curve now? Okay, all I did was to give it a stroke. I gave it a stroke. Let's say I'm giving it a stroke of 20. 20. And that stroke, I want it to be white, pure white. If you want it to be pure white, come here. Come here. Or just simply do FF. Then here I made it orange. I made the entire thing, sorry, control this thing, this rectangle, I make the fill to be orange. This is the fill. The fill was this. Copied it like this. Do you see?
Yes.
So the rest is just me adding picture. I added there are 2 images here. This is one of the image here. This person was adding money. It was my own. I had to be creative. Like, okay, I want somebody to carry a container as if he's going to collect money, because this Kobo rice, for example, when we're marketing this Kobo rice, we go out and collect money from people. So it's as if you are holding something. You are holding your boss or wherever you are using to collect your money, and another person is putting the money. So I just carried somebody's hand and put it here, and this girl was holding it. Do you see that it sent the message that I want people to receive? I want people to understand that we usually go out to collect the money, and this is us saving your money for you. That's just the message I was trying to send out to people. Do you see that these things are not hard? They are very simple and easy, especially when you practice. So this thing now, nobody's going to tell you, curve it like this, curve it like that. You will have to be creative. You will think about it. Like, if somebody say, design this particular website for me, how do I make the users that want to use this website understand? In fact, seeing this zero section, you understand this is contribution, something. You have to save your money. You have to see how do you make the users that want to use your website know what you are saying. How can you communicate with users? So it's you, the designer, that will think about these things. You will conduct what we call user research. I have not started teaching you user research yet. I just want you to know how to use FIGMA, play with FIGMA, just get your hands dirty. That's what I'm doing. So is that can you create something like this now?
Yeah.
If you love this video and this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.